Zoe?
How you feeling?
I feel like shit.
No. Do you consider yourself an optimist? Of course not. The glass is always half empty, right? Nothing ever comes to anything. My life sucks. Blah, blah, blah. We're gonna have fun.
Zoe, please. What are you doing?
You ever hurt someone? Feels good, doesn't it? I'm gonna tell you a story. You wanna hear a story? This is the story of the birds and the bees. So there was this girl bird, and she met this guy bird. And the girl bird wanted to build a nest. The guy bird wanted to be free. So after a while, the girl bird got tired of trying to build that nest all alone, and she asked the bee for help. And then one day, the bee stabs the guy bird in the fucking face. And everybody lives happily ever after. It's a good story, right? You know what I'm saying, right?
Honestly, I think you're fucking nuts.
I was hoping you'd say that. You're gonna say yes, okay?
To what?
Follow me. Yes!
Fuck you!
How's it going?
Fantastic. Yeah, he's really opening up to me.
What if he says no?
You're ready for this. You've been waiting for this for 5 years. Trust me.
Okay, yes, fuck, yeah! Yes. 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 Carrie.
Devin, will you marry me?